Hi everyone. So in this video, we're going to look at average rate of change, right? So what do we mean by average rate of change? So let's take a simple example, okay? Imagine your salary 5 years ago was about, let's say, 50,000. Okay? And today, after 5 years, let's say your salary has increased to 100,000. Okay, so this was 5 years ago, and this is today. So what was your increase in salary? So my change in salary or my increase in salary is given by $50,000, right? Now, this $50,000 change or increase occurred over a period of 5 years. So if I asked you, per year, how much did your salary increase on an average, you would say that my average increase was 50,000 over 5, or you could say this is $10,000 per year, right? So what you would say is, on an average, my salary increased $10,000 per year. This doesn't mean that every year you got a $10,000 raise. Maybe one year you got 20,000 and the other year you got only 5,000, but it averages out over the 5 years to $10,000 per year. And that is what we mean by average rate of change, okay? So what we are interested in is what is the average rate of change of function over an interval? So the average rate of change of a function f over the interval AB is given by average rate of change equals FB minus FA over B minus A, right? So this would be your FB minus FA would be your change in your salary, and B minus A would be, think about that as your change in years. So that was 50,000 over 5, and that gave us 10,000, right? So this is your formula for average rate of change. All right, so let's try and solve this problem. So we want to find the average rate of change of the function fx equals 3x squared as x changes from x equals 2 to x equals 4. Now, so let's call this Ra and let's call this Rb. We know that average rate of change is given by Fb minus Fa over B minus A, right? So for us, that is going to be f of 4 minus f of 2 over 4 minus 2. So what is f of 4? Right? I know that f of x equals 3x squared. Okay? So to find f of 4, I'm going to go ahead and put in 4 in place of x. So that gives me 3 times 4 squared, which is 48. Okay? And similarly, f of 2 is going to be 3 times 2 squared, which is 12. Okay, so put in those values, I get f of 4 is 48, so I get 48 minus 12 over 2, and that gives me 48 minus 12 is 36 over 2, which is 18. So the average rate of change of the function fx equals 3x squared on the interval 2, 4, or between x equals 2 and x equals 4 is 18.